Hello students, welcome back to maths class. So we are dealing with hyperbola. So some problems on hyperbola. So now come to the question. First read the question before starting the problem. Try to read 2 times and try to understand the correct situation of the problem, right? So come on, tangents to the hyperbola. So standard equation of the hyperbola is given to you. So to that hyperbola tangents are there. They are making angles theta 1, theta 2 with the transverse axis. Already I said to you, so the axis along the branches is called the transverse axis in hyperbola. So here these tangents are making an angle theta 1, theta 2 with the transverse axis of hyperbola, right. Show that the point of intersection of these tangents lies on this curve, right, when tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 is equal to k. So one point we have to take, the point of intersection of tangents we have to take, right. Px1 y1 be the point of intersection of the tangents. That point lies on this curve. That is what we have to prove. We have to show that if we take the point of intersection of the tangents to the hyperbola, that point must lies on this curve equation. That means 2x1 y1 is equal to k into x1 square minus a square. If we prove, then we can say that point of intersection px1 y1 lies on this curve equation. Okay, so come on, first we will take the given hyperbola equation. It is a standard form, right. So given hyperbola equation is, come on, what is that? X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Okay, so now the tangent, right, equation of the tangents to this hyperbola, equation of tangents to hyperbola, right. So what is that equations of tangents to the hyperbola? Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square minus b square. So if px1 y1 is point of intersection of the tangents right, then they lies on that tangents, right. Then p x1 y1 lies, suppose if we give this as equation number 1, lies on 1. Okay, so that is the point of intersection of the tangents. We have taken equation of tangents as this one. So definitely point of intersection lies on those two tangents equations. So implies it is y1 is equal to mx1 plus or minus root of a square m square minus b square. So bring that value this side, y1 minus mx1 is equal to plus or minus root of a square m square minus b square. Squaring on both sides, square root is there, so squaring on both sides. So if we take a squaring on both sides, what happens? y1 minus mx1 whole square is equal to plus or minus root of a square m square minus b square whole square. Okay, so what happens? Square root will get cancelled. Then this is a minus b whole square form. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab form. So it is y1 square plus m square x1 square minus 2m x1 y1. Here square root get cancelled. You will have a square m square minus b square. Bring this side, minus a square m square plus b square is equal to 0. Even that plus or minus whole square means it becomes plus only. Minus also it becomes plus only. Now if you observe here, we are having 2m square terms, write m square terms together. So m square taking outside, x1 square minus a square. Next you write m term, right? So 2m x1 y1. Next constant terms, y1 square plus b square is equal to 0 is exactly in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, right? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Quadratic equation in terms of x. Now our equation is quadratic equation in terms of m, right? So is a quadratic equation, right, equation in m. So if it is quadratic equation in terms of x, so two roots x1 and x2. So this is a quadratic equation in terms of m means two roots m1 m2, right? So m1 and m2 are the roots, right, are the roots of the quadratic equation. Then sum of the roots m1 plus m2. What is the formula for sum of the roots in quadratic equation? Minus b by a. So minus b by a. Compare, this is x square, ax square plus this is b, bx plus c is equal to 0. So in b place we are having this minus as it is, and b place we are having minus 2x1 y1 by, in a place we are having x1 square minus a square, sum of the roots, right, minus of minus plus, so it is 2x1 y1 by x1 square minus a square. Okay, next you take the product of the roots m1 m2. Product of the roots is equal to c by a. So c, what is a c? Comparing same ax square plus bx plus c. So this is our c, that is y1 square plus b square by a square is x1 square minus a square. Okay, so this is from our quadratic equation, but here it is given that the tangents makes an angle theta 1 theta 2 to the hyperbola. So angles made by the tangents, right, angles made by tangents are theta 1 and theta 2. So how we will take slope of the first tangent as tan theta 1, slope of the second tangent as tan theta 2, right. So slope of first tangent, right, first tangent, that is m1 is equal to, slope is denoted by tan of the angle made by the line. Next, slope of second tangent, slope of second tangent is equal to m2 is equal to tan theta 2. Okay, tan of the angle is called slope and it is denoted by the letter m. But here two angles are there, that's why we have taken slopes as m1, m2 to make the difference. Okay, and here given that, what is the given value? Tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 is equal to k is given to us, right. So given that tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 is equal to k. But what is tan theta 1? It is m1, implies m1 plus m2 is equal to k. So here we have taken m1 plus m2 as 2x1 y1 by x1 square minus a square, and this is our second one, m1 plus m2 is equal to k. Both are m1 plus m2 only. So therefore from 1 and 2, right, from 1 and 2 it is 2x1 y1 by x1 square minus a square is equal to k. Okay, so send this term, here it is dividing, if you send this side it will multiplies, implies 2x1 y1 is equal to k into x1 square minus a square, implies p x1 y1 lies on which curve? 2xy is equal to k into x square minus a square, hence proved. See, show that problem, right, show that or prove that problems, right, then 2xy is equal to kx square y square, we have to prove that one, show, right, show that or prove that, then we have to write at the end, hence proved, we got it, 2xy is equal to k into x square minus a square. Okay, so once again listen carefully, hyperbola is there. So to this hyperbola, two tangents makes an angle theta 1 and theta 2, theta 1 and theta 2 with the transverse axis of the hyperbola. Okay, so then show that the point of intersection of these tangents, these two tangents intersect at one point. That point of intersection px1 y1 lies on the curve 2xy is equal to k into x square minus a square, when this is the condition. So here some k is given to us, that k value is given as tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 is equal to k is given to you. Okay, so how we will prove this problem means, first you take hyperbola, standard hyperbola, it is given in the problem itself. So that is the hyperbola equation. For the standard hyperbola equation of the tangents is always, it is a formula, right. What is that? Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square minus a square into m square minus b square. That means here if we take a plus sign in between mx and this, if I take plus, we will get one tangent equation. In between mx and this root, if I take minus, we will get another tangent equation. Two tangents are there, with respect to plus one tangent, with respect to minus another tangent. Okay, so this is your the two tangents of the hyperbola equation. Now you take one point px1 y1 which is point of intersection of these tangents. Point of intersection of tangents means that point lies first tangent as well as second tangent. So if px1 y1 is the point of intersection of the tangents, then p lies on this tangent line equations. So in lies means in a x place x coordinate, in y place y coordinate we have to substitute. After that bring this mx1 this side, y1 minus mx1 is equal to this one, squaring on both sides. Okay, so squaring on both sides means this square root will get cancel, and here plus means plus into plus, plus only, minus into minus will become plus. Squaring means taking that value, multiplying same value 2 times. Okay, so it will be plus only and square root will get cancel. Bring all the values one side, and if you observe we are having 2m square terms, right. So try to write m square terms together, then m terms together, then constant terms together. Now if you observe, this is m square term, this is m term, this is constant term. So it is in this form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 form. Okay, so that is quadratic equation in terms of x. Now we got quadratic equation in terms of m. If quadratic equation is there in terms of x, then x1 and x2 are the roots. Now we are having quadratic equation in terms of m. So your roots are m1, m2. Okay. So quadratic equation is in terms of x, then we will take x1, x2 as the roots. But here this is the quadratic equation in terms of m. So we will have two roots. Those are m1, m2. Next, sum of the roots, right? What is the formula for sum of the roots in the quadratic equation? It is minus b by a. Compare the quadratic equation with that and find out what is your a, b, c. Okay, so this is your c, right? And the coefficient of m is called b and coefficient of m square is called a. So it is minus b by a means minus outside, and in b place we are having minus 2 x1 y1 by a place we are having a is m square coefficient. This is m square, its coefficient. Minus of minus plus. Next product of the roots is c by a. Same comparing and take the values. But in the question it is given that angles made by the tangents are theta 1, theta 2. Theta 1 and theta 2 are the angles made by the tangents with the transverse axis. So slope of the first tangent is nothing but it is denoted by m1. Tan of the angle is called the slope, and slope of the second tangent is nothing but m2 is equal to tan theta 2. Right, and it is given that in the question only it is given tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 is equal to k. So this is tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 is equal to k, means we have taken tan theta 1 as m1, tan theta 2 as m2. So m1 plus m2 is equal to k. So here we got m1 plus m2 is equal to that value, and now your m1 m2 is equal to k. That is derived value. This is given value. In the question it is given like that. Okay. So equate them. Both are same, m1 plus m2 only. So from 1 and 2 this is equal to this. Here this is dividing, send that side, it will multiply. So what happens? Your equation is in terms of x1, y1. That means point P x1, y1 lies on the curve 2xy is equal to k into x square minus a square. But what is P x1, y1? It is point of intersection of the tangents. So we have to prove that the point of intersection of the tangents to the hyperbola lies on the curve. We proved it, right? That's why hence proved. Okay, so practice this problem perfectly. So which problem? Majorly we used the quadratic equation, right? We reduced the problem into quadratic form, then we got our ABC values, sum of the roots and product of the roots. That thing mainly we used. And another formula is slope is denoted by m and tan of the angle is denoted by slope. So tan theta is equal to m. That concept also we used in this problem. Okay. So practice this problem perfectly. That's all for today. Have a nice day.